The long 3-year fight is over. Indiana-based Anthem Insurance has agreed to pay Catherine Pierce and 200 other families a $1.6 million settlement for denying ABA or applied behavioral analysis therapy for their children with autism. 13 Investigates first introduced you to Pierce and her then 12-year-old son in 2015. He was diagnosed with severe autism and could barely speak 5 words. Yet Anthem cut his therapy in half, saying it was not medically necessary. Worse yet, after a number of exhausting appeals, Anthem told the family to take it or leave it.
It was devastating because my son needs as much therapy as he can get.
Catherine Pierce and her family could have simply changed insurance companies. Instead, the Pierces became one of 2 families at the center of a class action lawsuit aimed at getting Anthem to stop a disturbing policy of denying ABA treatment when autism patients turned 8 years old. 13 Investigates first uncovered the practice in 2013 when 8-year-old Canyon Rice was denied his benefits and referred to a public school setting. Canyon's therapy was later reinstated. In a joint statement regarding the settlement, Anthem agreed to not use guidelines relating to coverage for ABA therapy based solely on an individual's age. Court records show Anthem employees will get more training on autism and ABA therapy. Members of the class action will receive an average payment of $5,000 from the $1.6 million fund. It's unclear how many families will benefit from the $1 million settlement. No one is allowed to talk about it, but it is a significant step forward. I'm Sandra Chapman with 13 Investigates.